Now students, will talk about the compound sentences. What are compound sentences? First of all, let me clear what is compound word. When you join two words together and it gives the meaning of one word, then this is called compound word. For example, classwork and homework. These are two words, class and work, and home and work, but these two words are giving the one meaning, or these two words are acting as one word. So that's why this is compound word. Likewise, if you have two sentences and you join these two sentences with coordinating conjunction, then these type of sentences are called compound sentences. So the definition of the compound sentence will be a compound sentence is one made up of two or more main clause. It means that if you have two or more than two main clause or independent clause, then this sentence is of a compound sentence. In your compound sentence, you have two independent clause or more than two independent clause, and you will join these independent clause with coordinating conjunction. Example of the compound sentences will be, the first example we have, the moon was bright and we could see our path. Now the moon was bright. This is first clause, independent clause, and we could see our path. This is second independent clause. And these two independent clause have been joined with and. It means that this is compound complex having two main clauses or independent clauses. Now the second example of the compound sentences will be, she is brilliant student and she takes care of her health. Now she is brilliant student, as she is brilliant student, this is one clause, and she takes care of her health, this is second clause, and this has been joined with and, this is coordinating conjunction. So these are two examples about the compound sentences. If you have any query or question, you can ask at the end of the lecture.